Hi, hello, good morning. Today we're after Nottingham to explore a underground sand quarry cave that was repurposed in the, I think it said 1940s, Second World War, as an air raid shelter to protect the public against the Luftwaffe dropping bombs. It looks a bit like a Santa's Grotto from the images that I've seen. So me and Ricky, I'm going to go and pick him up now, and we're going to go and check it out, see if we can get in and do an explore. We'll see you when we get there.
Yo, it's the bad boy to the crew. On chat hashtag on this one. I can switch on production. Not no divvies round here, much Keto. On to all the boys inside. Yo! So I'm in that big boy Mac, so I hot the curve. I see them boys in blue, so I drop the third. I put my foot down quick with a stop the shit. With a wicked shift like I hit the strip. Four boys through up in that Tory truck. Big boy lines in that naughty stuff. Four wheel drive, don't climb to the right lines to the side, right to the right. I ain't gonna lie.
Right, we're here.
Hello.
We're in the air raid shelter on Mansfield Road. As you can see.
Yep, what's the quicker?
There's a lot of shit on here, isn't there? Venturing into the abyss. Ooh, there's a hole in the wall. Ah, awesome. The cold, there used to be, oh look.
Cat holes, right?
Well, them balls you got that way in your hand, you know, the worry balls, stress balls.
Yeah.
Yeah, there used to be old sand quarries, look. You see the etching in wall there, look, 1850. Oh fuck, what's that?
Stood on a manhole cover.
Yeah, 1850 they were done. A-B-A-L-L-A-R-D. Bellado. 1811, 1811, is it? 1811. There's one here, look. 1868. Yeah, folks, basically this was an air raid shelter in the Second World War. It was dug much before, long before that. It was, I think they said it was like a sand mine, sand quarry perhaps, of some sort. But yeah, it's and it was used as an air raid shelter in the war, and now it's up for sale.
Gotta be honest, Dan, it doesn't look that safe.
Do you mean?
I don't know, just sand. Yeah,
it'll be alright.
Rats everywhere.
Is this that pile of muck that they said somebody chucked down from a... Oh, it is, look, yeah. You see all this muck here, fellas and people? That has been thrown down from somebody's garden, look, up there. That manhole cover comes out in the garden, and what they've done is they've just... You can see up there. There's a manhole cover there, and somebody's just chucked all the garden rubbish down it. Soil. Yeah, I wondered if at some point that used to be a public toilet, you know. Look at all stones in rock, that's amazing, isn't it?
It's all coming down there.
Coming down. Danger subsidence. Subsiding? Yeah, traffic. Looks like it's got pubes down here, look.
This is falling down here, this is fresh. Go on, mate.
So it's got pubes on ceiling down here. I didn't think it was going to be this big, to be honest. Yeah, that's all fell in, look. Yeah, it says ladies, gents, way out. So I'm wondering at some point it perhaps was a toilet. Carpet there. that somebody's been sleeping in it. You could though, couldn't you? You could come in here for a night when it's nice and warm in here, isn't it?
It's not cold.
It's not cold at all in here. What's that there? Trying to figure out what that is. Looks like a camera mounted. It is as well. That looks it looks like some sort of mounting for a camera.
I don't trust this place, mate, at all.
Oh Ricky, stop being a pussy.
No.
It's only sand that's gonna fall on you, it's not gonna.
No, I can't, it's not beach day.
Emergency exit. It's massive, isn't it?
Jesus.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fuck it.
Take the torch.
Yeah, there's like pins there, bro. It used to be for some sort of lighting. There's one there, look. Yeah, some sort of rope for. Maybe they're doing caving in here. You know, like. There's something over here.
A pipe.
Yeah, some sort of witch. I thought it might be one of the things usually not like rope climbing across, but I think it's electrical cable.
Yeah, it would have held lights, no? For
Yeah.
when they were
Looks like
sent down
that.
there.
There's a water pipe there, look. I think it is, you're walking above it. Somebody's house is probably. It's massive. We should have tied some rope to it so we can find our way back. Oh, this is creepy.
It's big, isn't it?
Yeah, just keep going. That's what they said, the Santos, the emergency exit. Oh, that's picked up that end. Oh, might be a bit of climbing involved here.
You what, mate?
Might have to climb over it to go and have a look.
I ain't climbing over there.
That's very cool. The passage way goes awesome. Get over there.
Better take the risk, Dan.
You get over that. It's all about the risk, Ricky.
I don't want to get stuck under there. Yeah, I'll have a look with the camera.
I don't like looking at my ass. That's what it is. My torch is dead. It goes right. It goes right up there. There's like a right cool passage. We'll have a look at rest at place and then.
I ain't climbing over there.
I'll climb over it. There's bricks on the other side to get back over anyway. Might end up being a Superman jump. Not that. You climb up that wall. You got to. No, it's not going to. Won't collapse in that.
Is that the wall over there?
The whole way.
Small building.
What hole? A holy roly. Where?
That just goes through to the other side.
Yeah, it's all like electrical cord. Oh, I don't know. Look at that.
Yeah, I would like that.
Oh, look at that. It's got gold in it. It's got gold in it.
Gold?
Yeah, it's like reflecting gold. Like glittery.
Is it not water?
I think it is, yeah, but I think with being yellow behind it, it's making it look all gold and glittery.
Pretty.
It's pretty.
It's like your star thing that you got for Christmas.
Yeah. It's nice in it, actually,
cool.
isn't it? Oh. Well, I don't understand why there's all these brick.
Normal socket that.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, so they were like things.
Imagine if you were here during World War II.
Mm.
Sent down here, you'd be shitting
I would
yourself.
feel much safer in here, to be honest. It's not exactly. Well, it's It's probably safer than being above ground. That's what it says. There's a lot of basements that go into this because you know, like people could evacuate from different streets into it.
It's a nice little explorer.
Cool, isn't it?
I thought it would be like smaller.
I thought it was going to
They're
be.
normally quite small, aren't they? I think it would be.
I didn't expect it to be as big as it is. Is that where we came in?
That way.
Oh, look at this. Somebody's been in here. Some homeless guy's been living in here by the looks of it. Well, you can't blame him, can you? If I were homeless, I'd stay in here and all.
Question is, Dan, where is he?
Yeah. He's probably going to jump out on us and scare crap out of us. They'll be out begging in daytime, won't they?
Bless him.
Got my jacket. See if it's warm. It isn't all. Oh, mate, they're old lights. I think if I were going to live in here, I'd have a very nice, tidy setup. I'd have a door on it and a lock.
I don't know where we are now. We're going to go back to that.
Yeah, I think we the flyers there. Yeah, 'cause we were on the other side of this wall last time. So I say, what's we all like? Maybe they separated the men from the women in the war. Yeah. You don't know if somebody's been banging it or something, you know.
Oh yeah, this is where we go. Tell you.
I've looked right over the bit and then I'll go down there and see if I can get through.
Why would you do that?
Because I'm an explorer, Ricky, and that's what explorers do, mate. We explore. Because that's the bit of tunnel that I showed you on that map thing I sent you. You know, it showed you like a bit. Oh, here's some toilets, look. It's narrow, I won't be able to wipe my ass in there.
You won't be able to get in there.
Well, look how narrow it is. Yeah.
It's so pretty.
Like, I'm gonna wipe my ass.
I have to turn around. What's this way? There's not really a lot to it, is there? It's just,
Yeah.
it's cool because it's old and people live down there.
Oh, I don't think they'll live down here, Ricky. They just come down and air race sirens will go off.
They're going to be down here for days, weeks at a time.
Yeah.
I don't know.
No, they won't be down here for weeks. They'll just be down here like
You don't know.
no, because the air raids only come over like in waves, don't they?
Look at that. How old's that?
Want more? Don't know actually.
No Cellboy Day. I might not have heard of them, I don't know.
Walker, Crisps, Ltd, Thermiston, Leicestershire. Yeah, they're there. 27th of April 14. Ain't got a heat on it. There's a torch up here, look. Grubby old torch. Looks like it might work though if you put some batteries in it.
Well, it says the 28th of Jan.
Ooh, we just found some stolen equipment. What we got? Oh, that is a super stack switch. Some sort of server, isn't it? Yeah, you put your phone line in. Put your phone lines into it. Another one there. Ommerson SYS drive inverter. I ain't got a fucking clue what that is. Drive program. That's like something off a machine, isn't it? Run, forward, reverse, jog, reset, data, enter. Yeah, it's like some sort of machine. There it is. I got my plastic thermos, sandals. Bit random, aren't they? It's a rusty bucket.
Good lady.
Ladies, put them a lady and do ladies things.
How old's that bucket roughly like?
Depends what it had in it. It's an old paint can, isn't it?
Oh, is that what it is? Yeah.
Looks like,
Thinking
yeah.
that, yeah.
It's definitely old. Depends, like I say, it depends what it had in it. Probably at least 30, 40 year old. We're lost in the cave. Can you get a phone signal? That's where we came.
No, no phone signal.
Oh dear. There's loads of Chris all over the place. Old monster munch there, look.
How old they are?
Yeah, it's an old monster munch. I ain't seen one like that for a while.
What do you reckon? 80s? 70s?
Maybe.
Maybe not the monster ones, but the walkers.
The Walkers ones, yeah, they're really old, aren't they? They don't even say what year, they just say September 29th. Anybody know what year these are from? Well, it's got hydrogenated vegetable oil, and hydrogenated vegetable oil were banned in like 90s. So they're obviously older than 90s. This old McDonald's container here. You what? Alright. Yeah, you've got it right place. Women's. Biatch. Can you hear that? It's the sound of an underground waterfall. Yeah, so pretty cool place this for a little explore. It's in Nottingham, Mansfield Road. As you can see, the road's up there. So we came in. The gate's not locked. Yeah, it's a pretty cool explore. I'm going to go and attempt to get over that wall now.
You ready?
Yeah, of course I am. I didn't drive here for an hour not to. You might have to hold all my stuff right.
How far does it go down? Did you see?
No.
Probably is down. If you climb that wall and you disturb something, you can get stuck that side.
Don't worry, we won't be far for the fire engine to come. Sorry, I can't believe they went to all this effort to put those brick walls up. Hang on, put my stuff here. You put them in your pocket. There's a cap there for the camera.
Well, you got a tampon.
Tampon. That's for you in case you come, in case Aunt Flo visitors. Oh, I like coat. Nice. It's Queen's thing, isn't it?
You won't when you know it's a Reading Football Club coat.
That don't bother me, mate. I'm not interested in football.
There you go.
I'm not going to talk, mate. You're going to have to hold me out, I think.
Right. I ain't coming over, Dan.
No, I'm going to have to go red first anyway.
I don't even know if I want to stand here. Oh, be careful, mate. You're right. There is a madman. Watch your leg, watch your leg. You want some help?
No. Hold my leg, hold my leg.
Hold it.
Grab my leg and
Yeah.
pull it back. Pull it back down.
Oh. What?
You pushed me in.
I didn't. You alright?
No, I landed the fucking knees on them bricks. You fucking covered.
I didn't do anything.
I'm going to feel sick now for the next 2 weeks.
He'll be off work again. I don't know what you meant by hold my leg.
Hold my leg, pull it that way so I don't fall forward. So you push me that way like a cock and I went head first.
I'm sorry.
Skinned on my fucking knee.
God, on you fucking move away.
Things we do.
Right.
No, it was an exit here. I'm fucking leaving you.
Yeah.
You've got a car key.
I'll meet at the house, I've got your keys.
Yeah. You watch, it'll go for fucking miles.
You right, Dan, yeah?
Yeah. I'm a grown man. Ooh. There's loads of bottles stuck in muck in here, like with candles in them. I don't know that. Ooh. That probably goes up to somebody's house. Yeah, a lot of these backed onto people's, from what I've heard, people's basements. I've like accesses into these. And they've blocked them all up. Whew. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, a little hobby hole. Oh, wow. Oh, this is cool. Ricky will be getting shit. Ricky will be shitting it sitting there on his own. He'll be like, oh, caving. You watch, your rat's going to jump out. It's going to piss out to me now. Oh, it's not like that. There's lights on there. Oh my god. Fucking lights on. The fuck? There's another entrance there, look. There's a light on in here. Oh, that's awesome. That's well worth jumping over. Somebody's using it, look. Somebody's got the ladders in here. We're at the back of somebody's garden. What the fuck is that? What the fuck's that for? Some sort of drying machine. That's mad as fuck. Somebody's stopping the traffic light. Oh. Yeah, it's somebody's garden, look. Is it locked? Can't tell. Yeah, it's got a catch on it. But you can see that, folks. Somebody's house out there, somebody's garden. Nice. And this is what they've got at the bottom to store the stuff in. How cool's that? Big old sleeper there. But how would you? I've seen better days. Awesome. Imagine having that. Just imagine having that at the bottom of your garden. Just to use as your own. That's awesome. I'd have a fucking man cave, proper man cave. I'd have a fucking gaming chair and a lot in here. Cool. That were unexpected. That I didn't expect to be finding this down here. What's around here? Another entrance lock. Cool. See this? This will go up to somebody else's house. Oh, I've chucked some stuff down. Bricked up. I do believe. Oh. Yeah, it's bricked up, look. But we're gonna have a look. See what you can see outside. Oh, look. Another entrance. Oh. I think it's... Oh. Just got covered in that sofa that collapsed on me. Probably got bugs and shit all over me. Yeah, cool place. Let's see if I can get back without breaking my fucking legs. Yeah, spider web. Oh. Paint in the bottle. Small bottle. Like that old medicine bottle. Yeah, look. London and Burton. Truman Co Ltd. Oh, he's still alive. It's a pity Vicky didn't come in like that. Ooh. Ooh. He's still there. He's fucked off. Free to the dark. Oh. Help me get back out. Right, they're gone though. I missed a treat there, mate. It goes fucking miles. It goes into somebody's back garden. They've got it at the bottom of the garden. It's got a light. There's a light on inside. What? There's a big cavern down there, and it's got a gate into their garden. They've got all stuff stored there. Try and get back over.
I should try getting in. Wait a minute, I've got it, mate.
Hey,
Right.
if I were you, I'd put camera down and help me.
You need to be clear what you want me to do.
Put camera down, facing this way, so I've got some light. Chuck me up down the floor, it'll be alright. Well, don't put it on the floor, but.
Right.
Stick it in your pocket if you can.
Yeah, I can't see.
What I'm going to have to do is come through, put it one leg through, and you're going to have to like support me.
On this brick.
Yeah, worth going through down there, mate.
Don't lie.
No, we're really good.
Right.
Probably as big as that size. Right. Imagine if I couldn't get
You
back.
not go through foot first?
How am I going to get my foot through? How am I going to get my fucking foot through there?
Right.
All you've got to do is like push against me so I don't fall forward. Because then I can get my legs through.
Yeah.
Just let me get.
Just don't grab my snotty nose. So. Just hold on to me, mate. I've got you. I've got you. Want me to move forward?
Yeah, move forward a bit.
Just don't pull it all down. I've got you. I've got you. You free?
Well done, mate. 21 stone on your back. Not first time, is it? See, that's what I wanted you to do with me before. I wanted you to hold me so I could like shimmy that wall.
You didn't say.
You just like rush now. Fucking silly cunt. Good job it went all fucking glass. Yeah, that'll work going through.
My foot. Okay.
I meant pull me back. Yeah, it would definitely worth going through, mate, that. Mr. Treat there.
What's this?
Cubes.
Insulation or something.
It's like what they used to put in sofas, straw, in old chairs and stuff. Somebody been trying to burn.
Do you hear some Buckfast?
There's some old bottles down there, and also some like old bourbon bottles, you know, like big old brown bottles. Yeah, it goes down.
I would have come over, but I didn't know.
It was a bit hard to get down, to be honest. It goes down, and it opens up into a cave on both sides. And there's like some blocks of exits, and then there's like a sharp bend, and it goes up and round like that.
What can you see at the end? Just somebody's
It
garden?
goes up and round there, and there's a brick wall with a brick missing after it. There's all sofas and that.
Ah.
And then you come back down there, and you go forward, you can see a light shining. And there's a light on the ceiling that's lit up, a new one. It's a big, massive open cave, and then there's like a small gate that goes into their garden. So they've put all like barbecues and stuff in there.
What, actually in the cave bit?
Yeah. Oh, like, why haven't they turned it into a man cave? It's fucking awesome.
You wouldn't get a better man cave than that.
And then it's like a proper bat cave. I'd have it as like a command. I'd have it like a command centre to me. Yeah. So that's what exploring involves for folks.
So,
A bit of climbing.
100 people, World War II,
100.
around 100, but
Is
you
that
fit
what
a
they
lot
said?
more.
Is that what they said?
That's what it said on that page.
Yeah, because you don't want too many because of oxygen levels.
But World War II is what, 1940s?
Yeah.
So why is the carvings? Because of the old...
That's what I said. I think it used to be a sand cave before that at some point.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if they put all these brick walls up to either absorb the blast in case there were a direct hit, or to segregate the You know, like to make toilets and stuff for people or to segregate it. I'm not sure, I really don't know. We'll have to do some research.
It is cool down there.
Yeah.
Fair enough, I'd like to spend the night down there. Not because it's scary.
So, no, it'd be good for a ghost hunt, wouldn't it?
Well, when you were over there,
Well, I
turning everything off.
said to the camera, I went, Eric's shit in his pants.
I definitely weren't shitting my pants. Almost.
On his own, in the dark.
Just seeping
If his
out.
torch goes off, he'll be fucking dying.
I turned everything off. I was
you?
just listening for stuff. You can hear like.
Could you hear me going?
No, I couldn't hear you at all. Once your light was on, I couldn't hear
Muffles
you at
all sound, doesn't it? Let's just see how dark it is for them at home. I'm going to turn all the lights off. You ready? Fucking hell, that is dark.
It is really dark.
That is absolutely, there's no light in here at all.
Makes your eyes go funny, doesn't it?
Yeah, if you had no torch in here, you'd be very lucky to find your way
I
out.
like Minecraft eyes, pixelated.
That is dark, isn't it? Yeah, nature's taking it back over. Look at that lump of clay in it, there, look, in there. Just random lumps of clay
Yeah.
in soil.
The soil.
In the soil.
Sounds all.
Hey, well, that worth it, wasn't it? Good little explore, that.
I've been down here that long ago.
No. It's a good job, isn't it? Because the car park's like only for 1 hour. Did you see that old McDonald's thing I showed you about? Here, look. Remember them ones? With the red writing on it?
Oh yeah. Little polystyrene.
Yeah, they don't do that now, do they? Because of the environment.
Wine gums. I want to find out how old this crisp packets are.
Somebody
must know.
Somebody will know.
Comment.
Somebody will put comments. Can you remember what year these Walker's crisp packets are from? Answer in the comments. Answer to the newspaper. It's not got dates on it, is it? In the top piece.
Turkish delight back on it.
2 bars.
That is old.
Yeah, they're not like that. I've not seen them like that.
I believe, Dan, Terry's, you know Terry's chocolate,
Yeah.
they're the oldest. Oh no, it's Fry's, isn't it? It's the oldest
Fry's.
chocolate.
Fries my Turkish delight. Yeah.
It's Terry's, but Fry's do Turkish.
Maybe they sold it to him at a certain point.
I know Fry's is the oldest ever. Old can of Ribena.
I don't think it's that old, is it? I got a spider web straight in my face and all while I walked down that tunnel. And I got that, if I got all bits on my bike, when I was climbing back down that exit thing, all them sofas collapsed on my bike. They were probably that 100-year-old, these sofas. Right. You know what's funny? How quiet it were down there.
Quiet.
How quiet it's been down there, and then when you come up here, it's noisy as fuck. Ricky's getting some scrap metal to weigh in, so we can buy some more tampons. Ooh. Back to the noisy world. Nice and peaceful down there, wasn't
Yeah,
it?
it's really quiet. I mean, you can hear
Oh, yeah,
traffic and that.
yeah, but compared to what it's like up here,
That's 41.
look at the way concrete.
Yeah, that was a good little explore.
Right, we're still recording. Yeah, we're back out onto Mansfield Road. Get a good kick shot. There you go. Yeah, so there you are, folks. If you want to come and check this place out, obviously have some respect and shut the gate after you. It's literally there, just across from the cemetery.
Good luck parking.
Yeah, good luck parking though, because we've
we've had to park way over there. This Lot Street's the parking with permit only. Right, we'll go back to the car, empty all these fucking bits out of my shoes. Say goodbye, Ricky.
Goodbye, Ricky. See ya.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.